In welding fabrication, precision is everything. Sometimes a hole or slot needs a slight adjustment after the weld is laid. In a busy shop environment, modifying openings near existing welds requires the right tools and a steady hand. The goal is to enlarge or modify these openings without compromising the integrity of the weld bead itself. That's where carbide burr tools come in. Specifically, cylindrical and ball-shaped burrs are your best friends for this task. These tools are designed to cut through hardened steel with extreme precision and minimal vibration. Cylindrical burrs are perfect for straightening edges or widening slots with flat surfaces. Ball burrs, on the other hand, are ideal for enlarging round holes and creating smooth radii. The secret to success is control. You want to let the tool do the work without forcing it into the material. Maintain a consistent speed and use a light touch to avoid grabbing or jumping. This allows you to work right up to the edge of the weld bead without damaging its structure or appearance. Whether you're working with mild steel, stainless, or even aluminum, these burrs provide the versatility you need. Using a high-speed die grinder ensures the burr cuts cleanly rather than tearing the metal. You'll notice the metal removal is efficient, leaving a smooth, professional finish. Of course, safety is paramount. High-speed metal shavings are no joke. Always wear a full face shield and proper hand protection when using carbide burrs. One advantage of carbide is that it generates less heat than traditional grinding stones, preserving the metal's properties. After the modification, it's time to check the fit of your fasteners or components. A perfect fit every time, thanks to the controlled material removal of the burr. In large-scale fabrications, these small adjustments can save hours of rework. To keep your burrs performing at their best, keep them clean and free of metal buildup. A quick brush out after use prevents loading and extends the life of the tool. Store them in a dry place where the cutting edges won't bang against other tools. While carbide burrs are an investment, their longevity and precision make them highly cost-effective. They allow you to move through projects faster without sacrificing quality. Having a variety of sizes and shapes ensures you're prepared for any fabrication challenge. One final tip: always use a steady rest or two-handed grip for the most accurate results. Stability is key to preventing the tool from wandering into the weld zone. The result is a clean, professional piece of work you can be proud of. Master these tools and you'll master the art of precision fabrication. Thanks for watching. Keep creating and keep grinding. See you in the next one.